Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can run another program from within your C program. So, first thing we're going to do is create a C file. And then open that up. So we want to include standard.io.h, standard lib, and then create our main function. So to run another program from within your program, you use execv, and that is in uni.std.h. So you call execv, and then the first argument is the program that you want to run. So we're going to run echo because that's an easy example. And then the second argument is the arguments to the program that you want to run. Oops. And this is in the format of an array of strings. And the first element of that array is typically the name of the program that you're running. And then the second element, and so on, are the arguments to the program. So here we'll put the string we want echo to print. And then the last element should be null. So then we put that in the second argument. And there you go, we can call another program from our C program. So let's compile that and see what happens. And run it. And there we go, hello from echo. But what if we want to do this? Call echo and then do something else in our program. So compile that and see what happens. Well, the code in our program doesn't get run. And this is because when you run execv, it basically overwrites your current program with the other program. So your current program is essentially no longer running, and it's replaced with echo. So how do we start echo but still run our program? Well, to do that, we need to use fork. And what fork does is starts a copy of your program as a child process to your program. So we need to include one more thing for that, which is sys/types.h. So we call fork, and what fork returns is the process ID of the child process. And it may look like once the child process starts, it'll run fork again, and so on, and just keep doing that forever. But if fork is called from a child process, it doesn't create another child process, it returns 0. Whereas if you call fork from the parent process, your main process, it'll return the process ID of your child. So if fork returns 0, that means we know that we're the child process. So for the child process, we can be replaced with echo. So what this does is, if we are the child process, it'll call execv, and the child process will be replaced with echo, but we will still have the main program. And typically what you'll want to do is call exit after you call execv. So then this will tell the parent process that we failed to start echo. And 127 is just command not found. So this would tell the parent process that we didn't find echo. So if we're not the child process, this won't get run, and the rest of our main program will get run. So we want to call printf, and then what we want to do is call wait PID, which is in sys/wait.h. PID. What this will do is wait for the child process to finish before we continue. So actually add this in there. Let's compile once more and see what happens. There we go. We got hello from main program and hello from echo. So that's how you can call the program from your program and still have your program running. And this is a simple example, but if you use this with things like threading or some other more advanced programs than Echo, you could do some interesting things with it. And anyways, thanks for watching.